If you've ever uploaded a video and got 0 views, this video is for you. Title, description and tags. These are 3 pieces of metadata that YouTube algorithm uses to understand what your video is really about. But here's the problem. Most people don't use them correctly. They put things in the title that should go in the description of the video. They write in the description what should be in the tags and so on, which prevents their channel from growing. If there's one thing that can make or break your video, it's the title. It's the first thing that people see alongside your thumbnail, and it's what makes them decide whether to click on your video or to scroll past. Tip number 1 is to keep it short and easy to read. Now, YouTube allows you to put 100 characters in the title, but please don't use them all. The average viewer's attention span is smaller and smaller these days. When they scroll through YouTube, they don't have time to read every title and to see every thumbnail. That's why it's essential to have a short title that captures the viewer's attention, and that's why YouTubers like Mr. Beast keep their titles under 50 characters. The second reason is that if your title is longer than 70 characters, it will be cut off at the end. As you can see from these examples, you can have the best title out there, but if nobody can read it, why make it so long? The second tip is to play with your viewers' emotions, because your title is not just for the algorithm, it's for the real people. Adding emotions like excitement, shock, fear, anger or urgency can increase curiosity and it can make people click. Here are some examples. Excitement. This SEO hack will boost your views. Fear. Avoid this mistake or your channel will fail. Urgency. You need to do this before your next video. Remember, titles are as important as thumbnails in grabbing viewers' attention and making them click. Descriptions. Some people think they are useful, other people think they are not. But according to YouTube, a well-optimized description helps your video rank better. If you go to the YouTube studio, on this question mark right here, it states clearly that writing descriptions with keywords can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. The first 2 lines of your description should include your main keyword and variations of it. For example, want to rank number 1 on YouTube? In this video, I'll teach you YouTube SEO strategies to boost views fast. Now, in my description, I have this link first because this is a service that I provide and I want my viewers to see this first. Even when the description is cut off like this, the link is visible and they can click on it. They can go to the YouTube Hobby Academy, where they can find a step-by-step growth system for hobbyists who want to build a loyal following and generate significant income from YouTube. In your description, you should also write 2 to 3 sentences summarizing what viewers will learn. For example, in this video, you'll learn how to optimize your titles, description and tags to increase your video's ranking on YouTube. I'll share tips that successful YouTubers use to grow their channels fast. You can also add timestamps and relevant links if needed. Now, every new video will have a new description, right? But some things will always be there, like links to your products, your social media, playlists, and the overall structure of your description will probably remain the same. Just go to the YouTube studio, go to the settings, upload defaults and write a standard description for every video. When you have everything filled like this, it's much easier to change this standard description for your uploaded video. Tags. Now, most YouTube experts say that tags don't matter anymore, and they're right, kind of. According to YouTube, tags only help if your title and description fail to provide enough context. But if they can help just 1%, we should use them. I usually put only 3 relevant hashtags in the description of my video, and I put 10 to 15 tags in this keyword section right here. This way I focus on most relevant tags, and this is just enough to boost the discovery of my video. Now, once you know how to make a good title, a good description, and once you know what tags to use, go and watch this video right here to learn how to make thumbnails that can generate thousands of views for your channel.